What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with a video. As you can tell, we're at a storage locker right now. We spent $100 on all of this. I know, pretty good deal. We don't know what's in there, of course. It could be a lot of junk, but there's a lot of stuff, so you have to make money, right? Like there's a nice toolbox right here. I think he said there's like an air compressor. Should we get like 60 bucks, he said. I see a PlayStation 4 just right off the bat. $100, what do we gotta find, guys? I don't really know what I'm looking at in these records, guys. I of course know like big names and stuff, but none I've seen so far.
The first thing to determine is style,
that
right?
Prince in the Revolution.
Wait a minute, this might
Whoa, wait a minute.
I've never seen this one.
Look, let's get a sold comp right now.
One thing that's important on records is this right here. White label. This side is a black label. White label usually means like a VG++ here too. I like this record though. I bet you it's minimum 10.
Okay, well yeah, I'm pretty sure it's at least 10 bucks. Yeah, 10 at least.
Tears for Fears. See, that's a rock band. Kansas. That's a ooh. I think that's a good one.
Really? Because there's the other one from them too.
Oh yes, this is good. The Infested. Let me help you out here. Def Leppard. That's a good one.
Yep.
Why are these good? They're classic rock. George Michael. I'm liking these actually. Pretty in Pink soundtrack.
I'm trying to get like a $100 record in here.
I'll tell you if I see one.
I don't know what I'm looking at, guys. I'm just kind of just showing you guys, and maybe you guys can be like, oh wow, that was an expensive one. Hopefully.
U2. That could be. They have a lot of very expensive records. They also depend on if they're UK pressing or if they are a regular press. Oh, there's some good ones, bro. Look at this. Houdini.
Oh.
Run DMC.
How much is that one, Dad?
I don't know. I think these are all at least 10 bucks. That's what I'm seeing here.
That's good. So 10 of these is your money back on the unit?
Don't underestimate hip hop, guys. You find the right hip hop, like we find an All Eyes on Me Tupac. Boom, instant 100 bucks. Tracy Chapman. I drive a fast car. Duran Duran.
That's a good sign, chat. It's empty, but because there's a PlayStation 4 sitting there, we got a PlayStation 2 game, and I've seen a couple PC games, so this guy's a gamer. Hopefully he's got
Kids.
some rare ones now.
My guess is there's kids involved, Michael.
Wait. Dolce Gabbana. Oh. Look at this little monitor back here. The pilot is like, I'm gonna keep this monitor. I wanted to just look it up to see how much the monitor itself goes for. But I guess it's like an all-in-one computer. Like there's a whole desktop inside of this monitor somehow. I don't know how, but it's selling for like a band. Like $1,000 right there, as long as it's a good condition working still. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. This thing is actually like $1,200. I was just looking at because it looked like an expensive monitor. I was thinking like $200 for the monitor maybe. But no, this is a whole computer. It has some decent parts inside of there as well. It's not even bad. What are these, like Beanie Baby type things? Pretty old, 1991. I feel like some of these be worth some money. 1991 is getting a little old now. Oh, Christmas decoration, not bad. Not bad, it's always worth a couple bucks. A nice guitar, look at that. This thing's clean. Kept it all in case, all nice and stuff. A Takamine G series.
Very expensive, but
a couple $100.
Let me look up what a G series sells for. I see 12 string, 12 string, 12 string, 12 string, 12 string, 256.
6 string?
Yeah.
256 this sold for on eBay. 100 bucks would be cool. Nice little TV as well. This unit is honestly full of some nice stuff. Is this like a $100 bill right here?
I would say 50. It's got a little stuff right there, and it is a Sharp. It's only a Sharp, but
hey, this for 100 bucks, this is pretty nice.
See if you can carry it.
Look at that. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm still not sure how nobody else bid on this, you know. Maybe it looked just nasty to some people. That's why they didn't want to bid more than 100.
You didn't get this in on your video, but like I said in the beginning, so it helps to talk to your storage managers. I got information that basically this is a similar tenant that a couple months ago had a really nice car. That made me gamble just because they had this mint condition old coupe. But outside of that, I probably would have never bid on it. I was gonna not bid at all. This is actually a really nice stereo. It's Onkyo.
Onkyo?
Yeah, I think we'll set this aside so we can run this.
You're gonna run that on whatnot?
Look, bro, it's a nice DVD.
I would just list that to maybe the bed.
I'm gonna put it inside of my house.
Oh, or that.
Look at that Nike, bro. I want to see Nikes. Don't.
I'm going through without you. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's like a little tablet slash laptop. Look at that laptop. And this little thing can come off as well. Bam. Little box for their clothing. Let's see what they got in here. Doesn't look like anything crazy right off the bat. In due time jacket. What are these, overalls? Some jeans? Yeah, some overalls. Ooh, snap. Low rise cropped. No crazy brands, I don't think, but Old Navy. Okay, yeah, it's not a crazy box of clothes, but definitely nice. It's not like dirty. T Brown jersey, okay. All right, so that back part that you couldn't see at all was just furniture pretty much. There was a couple clothes boxes, but it was mainly just furniture. It's a nice furniture. It's not like it's terrible per se. This should sell all at like a flea market. Maybe you might keep a piece to put on Marketplace. How much should something like this be worth if you were to sell it?
In the right setting, this is probably $500, $600, $700. You know, you have a store setting, whatever. Alameda Flea Market, $200 to $300. Facebook Marketplace, $400 to $500.
Stockton, $50. But yeah, that is everything. We got this nice guitar like I showed earlier, about $200 to $300, I want to say. Bunch of change, nice little stereo system, or I think it's a surround sound system. Definitely worth some good money right there. I bet it's worth like at least $200.
I forgot platinum.
Oh yeah, I heard that. How much is this worth?
Probably $200.
Really? I thought, yeah, I knew platinum was like really nice. About $200 in records right there, I bet. A lot of them look like $10 and stuff. Two monitors that I think the Pirate's gonna keep. They look pretty nice. They sell for about $100 to $150, I see, but he said he's keeping them. The way it looks is really intriguing. It's not a bad looking computer, and he had a nice sturdy computer in here, like an all-in-one. Look at this, double graphics card, double processor. That's nice. PS4.
I got a coin.
Flipping a coin, $75 or free right now. You calling air or are you doing it?
You call it. Go ahead.
I'm gonna hit
Heads.
the ground. I'm not gonna catch it.
Heads.
Heads it is.
Heads, come on, let me get the free. Ah!
Tails.
Give me that money.
No. That's it, we're fully loaded up. We literally couldn't even fit everything. There's just too much stuff to fit it all. We will be bringing this to the flea market tomorrow. I don't think I showed this Clavinova, Yamaha Clavinova. You see them going online for like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. Like they go for a lot of money. So yeah, this is definitely worth it. I bet we can sell this TV back here for $100, literally. Like this is a crazy unit for $100. I'm still juiced about that computer. We might have to make the Pirate a little offer on that fancy computer. Obviously a reasonable one. I'm not gonna just like, give me $100. We're gonna find its actual value and then I'll see how much I can get it off him for, because this might be better than mine. We're back at the warehouse a little bit later. We're pretty much sold everything. Everything's sold. The unit was not bad. It wasn't crazy, but it was definitely not bad because we only spent $100. $110. I think he only profited like $200 at the flea market, he said. He sold about $1,700 worth on his whatnot, which is great. That's 17x his money. And we still have a couple things set out around here. He kept the two monitors, like I said. I want to say they're sitting around here still. This is not an all-in-one computer though, it looks like. Unfortunately, it is just a monitor. I thought it was something better, but no, it's just a curved display. It's only about $200 now. That's still $200 though, we'll take that. Double his money right there. Sad news though, this computer did not connect to the monitor. I don't know what it is. It powers on and everything, like everything looks fine when you power it on, but then nothing happens with the monitor. It just doesn't connect. But it's fine, because honestly, this thing is a little bit older. I think this was made in like 2015, 2016, which at this point, that's pretty old for a computer. And that is the end of the video. If you guys have watched this far, you watched the whole video. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Put, I don't know, put a robot emoji if you made it this far. Let's switch it up. I like to switch it up every now and then to see if you're actually making it to the end. But also, if you guys like if you guys like video games, I buy video games all the time. Come check out my whatnot. I start everything for $1. I start some pretty nice stuff for $1. Not just some cheap $5 games and stuff. You know, we got a bunch of consoles. Look at this controller. It's like a $150 Xbox controller. Little plug at the end of the video. Thank you though. Peace out.